Hi everybody. India is an ancient country, rich with tradition, culture. India is a holy land, the land of saints, great leaders, spiritual leaders. We collect information about them through books or through internet. There is one more interesting way to collect information, that is collage. Here this is a collage of great personality Swami Vivekananda. What is collage? What do you mean by collage? A composite object or collection created by using different media, right? And what the resemblance can you see? Here composite object, here you have a Vivekananda's image, here you have a great speech of Swami Vivekananda and some great quotations. And you know that one quotation is very close to me and I follow in my life. That is 3 golden rules. Those who help you, don't forget them. Those who love you, don't hate them. Those who believe you, don't cheat them. Let's see some more quotations of Swami Vivekananda through this video. Who was the Swami Vivekananda? Where was he born? Let's get more acquainted about the Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda was born on 12th January 1863 in Kolkata and he passed away on 4th July 1902. Who inspired him the most? The guru and the mentor of Swami Vivekananda is Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Okay, let's learn more about the life of a great humanitarian, a saint, monk, a patriotic Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, born Narendra Datta, was a great personality who made the world aware of the greatness of Indian philosophy. At the Parliament of World's Religion, he began a speech with sisters and brothers of America. At these words, he received a 2-minute standing ovation. He emphasized the importance of selflessness and service to mankind. He is regarded as a patriotic saint. Swami Vivekananda made the world aware about the Hinduism and aware about the Indian culture and tradition and moreover about the Indian philosophy. At the Parliaments of World Religion, Parliament means a formal council where all the religious head come together and they have a talk about the religion. At the Parliament of the World Religion, Swami Vivekananda is the first person who addressed the people of America as brothers and sisters. The people of America were mesmerized by these words. Swami Vivekananda, he really stressed the importance of selflessness and service to the mankind. Let's learn some important quotations of Swami Vivekananda. Let's start. The first one. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. The given quote says that one should rise up to achieve one's goal and until it is achieved, one should not stop to rest. Achieving one's goal should be a relentless affair. It is a beautiful quotations by Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. The next beautiful quotations. Talk to yourself at least once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss a meeting with an excellent person in the world. Who is the excellent person? Is none other than we. Each one of us is unique and excellent in our own way. We spend most of our lives talking to others, but forget to have a conversation with ourselves and hence do not realize our own qualities. Okay, the next important quotation is take up one idea, make that one idea your life. think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave other idea alone. This is the way to success. Swami Vivekananda, through these lines, tells us that we should breathe our dreams and goals. We must focus on that one dream so much that it becomes our every life. Only when we completely focus our energy on that one dream and give our heart and soul to it, then only we can be successful. Let's our brain, muscle, blood and every part of our body get sync that idea, then only we will able to get the success, and that is the mantra of success. The next beautiful quotations of Swami Vivekananda. Fill the brain with high thoughts, highest ideals, place them day and night before you, and out of that will come great work. Fill the brain with highest thoughts of great persons, and it will really inspire you to achieve your higher goals. Reading the life and the work of a great man, it really motivates us to believe in ourselves, the outcome of which it will be really great. This is my favorite quotation of Swami Vivekananda. Whatever you think that you will be. If you think yourself weak, weak you will be. If you think yourself strong, strong you will be. So think yourself positive and optimistic. If you think yourself strong, you can achieve anything in this world. Nothing is impossible in this world. With your focus, determination and believe in yourself, you can achieve anything in this world. Hope you might have understood the lesson, a collage. Thank you so much.